Virtuoso Legal Marketing, and today we are going to continue our video series based on the book Strategic Law Firm SEO, which you can pick up at Amazon.com or at the website lawfirmseo.biz. So we have thus far talked about the basic components of an SEO campaign, and we have talked about on-page optimization and a little bit of keyword research. So I thought today we would go ahead and get into the subject of linking. So you probably already know that you need links to your website. A long time ago, Google and now any major search engine decided that it's going to use links and the quality of those links and the number of links as one component in ranking and categorizing a website. And so there is a major mistake that I see most businesses and law firms making in their linking, and that is this. Let's say, for example, the name of your law firm is Jones Law. Let's say joneslaw.com is your web address. Well, in this case, what most law firms would do is they would go out and they would get links to their website that contain the words www.joneslaw.com. Intuitively, that makes sense. If this is the name of your firm and this is your web address, that's what should be contained in the text of a link to your website. Wrong. The problem is this does not help improve your search engine rankings. And if someone is already searching for Jones Law, Google is going to present your website by default. You don't have to optimize or promote your website for the name of your firm. Let's say this Jones Law firm, let's say these guys are a Boston bankruptcy attorney. This is the type of keyword or the type of text you want in your links. So for example, if it's a web page with these words, and this is your link, you have your href equals www.joneslaw.com. So there's your link. Now, the problem is sometimes it's hard to just organically have these types of links develop. If I have a web page and I'm talking about your firm, chances are I'm going to have a link like this. So you have to be proactive to get these types of links. One strategy that we really like is with content. You create a piece of content and you put it somewhere on a web page so that you have control of the links that are in that content. And one method we like to use that we use a lot is article marketing. You write an article on a subject related to what it is you do. So for instance, this guy would write an article about bankruptcy, and he would submit that article to article directories such as ezinearticles.com, and this is usually where you want to start because it's the #1 article directory, highly respected, links situated on eZine are high quality. So submit your article to ezinearticles.com, and the trick to getting your keyword link is the author resource box. This is where you get to promote your firm. The article itself doesn't need to promote your firm. It doesn't need to sound like an advertisement. It needs to sound like legitimate information. But the author resource box is where you can talk about yourself, and it would be something like, Jones Law is a Boston bankruptcy law firm, blah, 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 and that's where you'd have your keyword link, and you'll usually have about 2 of those in your resource box. And here's one more key to pulling this off. You don't want all of your links to be straight to your home page. You know, when you do the keyword research at the beginning of an SEO campaign, you need to sort of allocate those keywords to different pages of your site. So let's say you have a, wouldn't necessarily be relevant here, but let's say you're a personal injury firm and you have a page on your site about motorcycle accidents. Well, then you would want keyword links directly to this page that contained keywords related to motorcycle accidents. If you do those 2 things, if you create keyword text links, and if you link directly to the specific pages of your site that relate to those keywords, you will have a much better chance at ranking those pages in Google for your keywords. We will talk more about other linking strategies in future videos, but again, I'm Jerry Work with Virtuoso Legal Marketing, and I invite you to check out our book, Strategic Law Firm SEO, at lawfirmseo.biz. We'll see you next time.